If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. The picture on screen shows the user interface in Excel for Microsoft 365 after creating a new blank workbook. A workbook is the default file type in Excel, much like a document is the default file type in Word. A workbook can contain multiple worksheets that store and manipulate data in their columns and rows. By default, Excel gives you one worksheet in a new blank workbook. The default worksheet's default name is Sheet 1 and appears on the Worksheet tab in the lower left corner of the workbook window. By default, each workbook you create or open appears in a new Excel application window. If desired, you may open and then close different workbooks within a single Excel application window. If you close the workbook within an opened Excel application window, some of the items within the Excel environment still appear on screen until you exit the Excel application window itself. The application window is the outer frame of the program that contains the workbooks you open or create. It consists of the title bar, the quick access toolbar, the ribbon, the formula bar, and the status bar. Any workbooks you create or open appear within the application window. When you exit the Excel application or close a workbook in an Excel application window, Excel prompts you to save any changes made to any open workbooks before closing. Workbooks appear inside the application window. Each workbook contains an individual worksheet, the worksheet tabs, the worksheet scroll bars, and the previous sheet and next sheet buttons. Let's examine the individual elements that comprise the Excel application window and the workbooks within it. In addition to knowing the names of these objects and where they appear on screen, you also need to know the function of each object within Excel, which we'll cover in the following lessons of this chapter. At the top of the application window is the title bar. The title bar also contains the quick access toolbar towards its left end. Below that, you'll find the ribbon, which contains tabs that have button groups containing buttons and commands you use in Excel. Below the ribbon is the name box, followed by the formula bar. Below that is the worksheet in Excel on which you are working. The name of the sheet appears in the lower left corner on the worksheet tab name next to the previous sheet and next sheet buttons. You can scroll through the content in the worksheet by using the scroll bars at the bottom and right sides of the Excel application window. The active cell within the worksheet appears with a green border around it. At the very bottom of the Excel application window is the status bar. This shows various statuses in Excel and contains workbook views and the zoom slider at its right end. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.